Have you ever stroked a nightjar? Well, neither have I, but I will show you in this video how I got close enough to some Indian nightjars to photograph them and video them on the ground in the daytime. Crepuscular. Or should that be crepuscular? Well, either way, it means active at dawn and dusk, and it's the perfect adjective to describe nightjars. It also means that during the daytime they can be found roosting on the ground. Now, this particular piece of habitat, I've been here before, so I know I can find them, but it's not easy, and it does take patience and careful scanning of the ground to spot them before you scare them away. Aha! I've spotted one. I will show you what I can see of it right now. Could you see it? I'm going to zoom in for a closer look. Okay, I found another one on the ground. You can see how well they blend in with their surroundings. Been crawling along like this for about 5 or 10 minutes now, and I'm really close to an Indian nightjar. This one's a juvenile bird, and it hasn't grown its flight feathers properly yet, and that's why it's reluctant to fly, and that's why I can get so close to it. Amazing. It's incredible how much these nightjars depend on their cryptic plumage for camouflage and predator evasion. I've been in this area quite a long time now, making these videos of the birds, arty-farty shots of me crawling around on the floor, and I got really close to this one. But the amazing thing is, it hasn't moved. It's still there. I'm here to deal with all your Nightjar related emergencies and inquiries. Just put your comments in the section below and I'll attend to them as soon as I can. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe and you'll get a notification when I upload the next video, which is going to be very soon. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.